Okay, so let's do a bit of cleaning. It is absolutely freezing out here, so I'm quite glad that I've got some hot soapy water here to keep my hands warm. Right, so we'll get rid of this greaseproof paper. Oh yeah, there's quite a lot of grease on that. And I'll give this a wash. So just some hot soapy water, and we'll try and get as much of this off as we can. Right, should come off easy enough. I cannot wait to get cooking on this thing. If it lives up to the 300 degrees Celsius hype, that should be all I'll ever need. That'd be amazing. Right, bit of polystyrene. Got a bit of this back bit wall here actually curves in a little bit. Looks like it's had a bit of a whack or something at the back. It's not very straight. Anyway, oh, that's a bit too hot. Alright, that feels much better. Great, cool. Let's get rid of this bottle. I'll be right back. Okay, let's dry this off. Bit more paper towel. I haven't got a lot of paper towel left, so better keep some back for the seasoning part of this video. That should be enough. Oh yeah, perfect. Great. Okay, so let's move it into the cooking position, which is like this sort of black painted trolley thing I've got at the back there. Hopefully it's wide enough. Oh, Jesus, this is heavy. Yay. I've plugged it in. The power lights are both on, which is good. A good sign. There's no heat because I haven't turned the dials on. I haven't turned the heat on yet, so I'm going to put it on full blast and watch for some colour change. I want to see which side, left or right, changes colour first. Hopefully that will tell me what side is hotter than the other, because there's always going to be one side hotter than the other, isn't there? So let's turn these on. So we've got the power dial on the left. We'll go right up to 300. There we go. So we'll turn that up full blast and watch out for any colour change. No heat yet. Now I'm not sure whether I should put some oil on it first or heat it up first. I don't know which way, what I should have done first, so I don't know. Oh yeah, you can feel a bit of heat coming from that now. It's getting there. Could take 20 minutes, I don't know. Let's heat it up. Let's put some oil on now. I'm going to put a couple of teaspoons, I think, oil. So a bit of oil. Now people can get really fancy with the oil, but I'm just using olive oil comprised of refined olive oil and virgin olive oil. So not too expensive, that one, but people get a bit crazy about it and they put canola oil or avocado oil and stuff like that on it. So I don't know, just use oil. Just use what you got is probably the best thing. I'm going to go to all four corners and just rub in oil. I think I'm probably going to do this about 3 times in total. Oh, it's probably a bit thicker that end. Get it all nice and hot. Watch it till it starts smoking, and then put another layer on. So hopefully we can get it all nice and seasoned in the corners as well. I think I put too much on. Never mind. Might actually take a little bit off, especially over the left hand side here. I think I took too much. Obviously the more you put on, the longer it's going to take to burn off. So let's go around with this bit of kitchen towel and try and take some of it off. Now it's just a waiting game. So only after about 5 minutes, you can see it's starting to change colour there in the centre. It looks like the left hand side is getting hotter than the right hand side. So maybe the left hand side is going to be my hotter side, which is good to know. So if you're cooking on one side and you've got the other side a bit cooler, once you've cooked something, you can move it over to the right to just keep it warm while you're cooking other stuff. There's been a couple of pops and bangs, and I think, there you go, metal just expanding and contracting, I guess. If I show you the sides, can you see how just sort of wonky that line is? That's getting very hot as well. Look, you can see the smoke. Come around the back. Again, that back plate is very wonky. That was like it when I unboxed it. So it's not the heat doing that. But I didn't notice that before, so maybe that is the heat doing that, I don't know. But anyway, we're on our way. So I'm looking for the smoke to sort of stop, and then I can add another coat of oil. It is still smoking. It's been a good 10, maybe 15 minutes now, and it is still smoking. So I think I'm just going to go ahead with the second coat of oil now, while it's still piping on. I wasn't sure actually if you should turn it off, let it cool, and then start the process all over again. But I think I'll do it while it's hot. Let's strike while the iron's hot. Right. Wow, that's a lot of smoke. I wasn't expecting so much smoke. Actually, turn it off, let it cool for 20-30 minutes, then come back and do the third and final coat. It's been a few minutes, I've lost track of time, to be honest with you. It's still a little bit warm, but it's cooled down quite a lot. So I'm going to turn it back on, and we'll do another coat of oil, a third and final coat of oil, I think, for now. Right, I'm going to have to buy some new paper towel. Almost run out. So before it gets too hot again, let's give it another bit of oil. I think I'm putting too much oil, to be honest with you, on there. I think I'm putting too much. Bit of paper towel, and let's spread it around. Yeah, I think I put too much on again. Never mind. First time I've ever done this, so it's all a bit of a learning process, isn't it? Alright, so we'll wait for that to heat up again and see how we go. It's been a few minutes, but we're starting to smoke a bit, which is good. Hopefully, very soon we can get some something on it, get something cooking on it. So I ordered this on a Friday, and then Saturday morning this turned up. So it came very quick, very quick. The next day it turned up. Crazy. So yeah, I need an infrared thermometer just to see exactly how, if that, it says 300 on the dials there, but is it getting to 300 degrees? And then I need to build a box or a cover for it. I've got a cover for the whole table, plastic cover, but I want to put a wooden box lid on top or something, I think. And then any other accessories that anybody can recommend. If I can find a silicone top for it, I don't know. We'll leave it for a few minutes longer. It's smoking less now, but I just want to give it a little bit more, a little bit longer. Like I said before, it doesn't actually have a maker's name on it. There was just under manufacturer, just had some Chinese characters. And that was it, really. So I will leave the link for this model in the description of the video. If you fancy one, it was only 138 quid, I think. 138 pounds on eBay. I say, Looks pretty good now. At the moment it's doing alright, it's working. Looks like the seasoning has worked. First flat top grill, so I don't really know, to be honest with you. We'll do some cooking on it. Maybe we'll try and do some smash burgers today. Or some bacon. That'd be good. Right, well, I think that's probably it for the moment. Like I say, I might give it a little bit longer. Wait for that smoking to stop. But for now, I think that'll do us. I've done 3 coats. Looking pretty good from where I'm standing. I don't know. Let me know if you've got any advice, any suggestions. Let me know. Okay, I've turned it off, so we're going to let it cool down again. I'll come back later on, we'll do some burgers. So that'll be my first cook on the flat top. Burgers and bacon. Smash burgers and bacon. Alright, thanks for watching, I do appreciate it. Thanks for watching to the end. Like I say, give me any suggestions and comments or anything down below. That'd be great. And yeah, welcome to the channel. Bye for now.